Namaskar dear children. So children, chapter 2 we have completed chapter 2, all topics we have covered, and the last is in text question answer. So today I am starting in text question answers of chapter 2 and the exercise question answer also. So student, if we understand very properly of the chapter, तो we can solve the question answer very easily. हम चैप्टर अच्छे से पढ़ चुके हैं तो हम आगे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स भी इजीली अच्छे से कर सकते हैं. सो फर्स्ट आई एम स्टार्टिंग अ पेज नंबर 15. You are in NCERT in text book page number 15. Page number 15. I am starting. First question of your page number 15 is, open your book everyone, open your NCERT book. First question is, what is meant by a substance? What is the first question? The first question is, what is meant by a substance? हमने सबसे जब चैप्टर स्टार्ट किया था तभी हमने चैप्टर पढ़ लिया था what is meant by the substance. A substance is a kind of matter. It is a kind of matter that cannot be separated into other kind of matter by any physical process. It is the kind of matter, एक matter का type है that cannot be separated into other kind of matter, जिन्हें हम एक other kind of matter में separate नहीं कर सकते हैं by any physical process. So this is the kind of a matter which cannot be separated other kind of matter by any physical process. So student, this is the answer of first, what is meant by a substance. Second question, list the point of difference between homogeneous and heterogeneous. Look in your book. Here I am not written a question in your book, NCERT book. Second question is, list the point differences between homogeneous and heterogeneous. So student, we have studied about it, we have discussed about it. What is the homogeneous? They are the uniform composition, they properly mix together, they are the homogeneous mixture. So what is the list the properties of difference between homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. So first of all, composition and properties. Homogeneous, perfectly uniform in its composition. का composition perfectly uniform होता है, and different composition at different location in the mixture. Very clear? Uniform composition and different composition. Heterogeneous में different compositions at different location in the mixture. Different composition होगा, different location होगी heterogeneous में, and same composition होगा, same uniform composition होगा homogeneous में. Properties throughout the mixture are the same. पूरे mixtures में properties same होगी. That's why क्योंकि ये uniform motion है. होमोजेनस मिक्सचर जैसे हमने कहा देखा कि हमने लेमन जूस बनाया तो कंप्लीट लेमन जूस मीठा होता है. ऐसा नहीं होता है कि एक पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट पे लेमन मीठा होगा बाकी मीठा नहीं होगा. जैसे हमने सॉल्ट सॉल्यूशन बनाया तो कंप्लीट होमोजेनस बनाया और कंप्लीट सॉल्यूशन जो होगा हमारा कैसा होगा, सॉल्टी होगा. तो प्रॉपर्टीज थ्रू आउट द मिक्सचर आर द सेम एंड द प्रॉपर्टीज आर डिफरेंट एट डिफरेंट लोकेशन इन द मिक्सचर. यहाँ पे प्रॉपर्टीज जो होंगी डिफरेंट एंड डिफरेंट लोकेशन पे मिक्सचर पे अलग अलग होगी. यहाँ प्रॉपर्टीज थ्रू आउट सेम होगी एंड यहाँ प्रॉपर्टीज जो होंगी डिफरेंट एंड डिफरेंट लोकेशन पे डिफरेंट होगी. जैसे हमने सॉइल एंड वाटर का सॉल्यूशन बनाया है तो डिफरेंट पार्टिकल्स पे अलग अलग होगी, डिफरेंट पार्ट पे अलग अलग होगी. कहीं पे सॉइल के एकदम फाइन पार्टिकल्स होंगे, कहीं पे ग्रेवल्स होंगे, तो इनकी प्रॉपर्टीज अलग अलग होंगी. सो आई होप यू क्लियर अबाउट द फर्स्ट पेज नंबर 15 question. First question, what do you mean by the substance? The substance is a kind of matter that cannot be separated by any other kind of matter by any physical process. And then list the point of the difference between homogeneous and heterogeneous. Composition, perfectly uniform in its composition, and different composition and different location in the mixture. Properties throughout the mixture are the same and properties are different at different location in the mixture. So first note down first two answers of page number 15. Next page number, next I am starting a block question answer in text question answer of page number 18. First you note down page number 15. So student, next is a exercise text exercise question of page number 18. First we have discussed about the page number 15 and next is a page number 18. So page number 18, first question is differentiate between homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture with example. First question of page number 18 is differentiate between of homogeneous and heterogeneous with the example. So according to page number 18 is this is the first question and our question is third. So this is the first question and this is the second question. So what is the homogeneous mixture? Homogeneous mixture, a mixture which has properly a mixture is perfectly uniform in its composition and properties throughout is called homogeneous mixture. What is the homogeneous mixture? As we have discussed again and again, properties, a mixture which is perfectly uniform. It is the perfectly uniform composition and properties throughout, yani completely. Properties throughout, that means property completely is called, it is the homogeneous mixture, right? So a homogeneous mixture which is perfectly uniform in its composition and properties throughout is called homogeneous mixture. And the example is sugar and salt solution. वाटर में जो शुगर एंड सॉल्ट मिक्स किया जाता है, दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द होमोजेनस मिक्सचर. नेक्स्ट इज हेट्रोजेनस मिक्सचर. द मिक्सचर विच हैज डिफरेंट composition and different properties is called heterogeneous mixture. Same properties, homogeneous, different properties, different composition, that is the heterogeneous mixture. An example is sugar and salt solution. Example is sugar and salt solution. Next question number 2 of this page is how are salt solution and suspension different from each other. हमने कोलाइड सॉल्यूशन पढ़े, सॉल्यूशंस पढ़े, सस्पेंशन वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट दैट. तो व्हाट आर द डिफरेंस बिटवीन सॉल्ट सॉल्यूशन एंड सस्पेंशन? सो हियर आई हैव रिटन दिस. फर्स्ट salt, that means colloid, then solution and then suspension. So what is the difference between salt solution and suspension? First is a salt is a homogeneous looking but a heterogeneous mixture. It is looking like a homogeneous. Salt is a looking like a homogeneous but actually that is the heterogeneous mixture, right? And the homogeneous mixture of solution, homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. Suspension, heterogeneous mixture of a solid dispersed in a liquid or gas. Suspension is also a heterogeneous mixture एंड इसमें जो सब्सटेंस होते हैं वो डिस्पर्स्ड होते हैं सॉलिड का लिक्विड एंड गैसेस में. सो द सस्पेंशन इज अ हेट्रोजेनस मिक्सचर that is looking like homogeneous but heterogeneous. This is the homogeneous and this is the heterogeneous mixture, right? Next is particles can be seen in a with a powerful microscope. When we are talking about the colloid solution, so particle can be seen by the powerful microscope. We can see the particles by the powerful microscope. Solution cannot be seen. सॉल्यूशन के पार्टिकल्स को, जैसे हमने लेमन जूस बनाया या हमने वाटर शुगर सॉल्यूशन बनाया, सो वी कैन नॉट एबल टू सी द पार्टिकल ऑफ द शुगर सॉल्यूशन एंड लेमन सॉल्यूशन, सो कैन नॉट बी सी, कैन बी सीन बाय द naked. But suspension particle, when we mix soil in a water, so suspension particle we can see by the naked eyes. So third difference, size of particle 10 meter, 10 minus 7 meter and minus 10 minus 9 meter. Can the size of particle 10 minus meter. This is the size of the particles of the. Next, difference 4, cannot be separated by filtration. Colloid solution we cannot be separated by filtration. How can we separate? We separate by the centrifugation. Solution we cannot be separated by filtration. How can we separate? We separate by the evaporation. Solution we can separate by the evaporation. Suspension we cannot be separated by the filtration. Sorry, we can separate by the filtration. Suspension we can separated by the filtration. So solution salt we cannot be separated by filtration. Solution we cannot be separated by filtration, and suspension we can be separated by the filtration. So I hope you all are clear about the first two question on page number 18. First is write the difference between the homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture with example. Second, what is the difference between salt, solution and suspension? So student, first note down this complete answer, all of you. Next I am starting question number 3rd of page number 18. So first to everyone note down properly.